time meet again. In this video, I will share the position and formation of the ship, from 4 ship, 6 ship, up to 8 ship, the objective. So you can buy a ship that suits your needs. And save your money for other needs. And I will give an estimate of the money needed to buy the ship. 1. Composition for 4 ships with 15,000 money. You can buy 4 deadly attack ships. Namely 2 Viper and 2 I-7 Hawk. With the combination of Viper and I-7 Hawk, you have an unbeatable fighter. Viper has deadly laser fire and the I-7 Hawk has high speed and plasma cannons, making your squadron able to chase enemies anywhere. The downside, of course, because you don't have missiles and torpedoes yet, your squadron will have a hard time dealing with capital ships. 2. Composition for 6 ships. The composition of these 6 ships costs 33,000. The formation consists of 2 Viper, 2 Cobra, 1 Mk8 Triad, and 1 G2 Godzilla. The composition of this ship already includes the composition of medium and heavy class ship. You can already believe in destroying the capital ship, because Mk8 Triad and G2 Godzilla already have missile. And it will be better if we change with missile G8, which will choose the target automatically, so we can fire that missile from a long range. 3. Composition for 8 ships. This is the composition of the heavyweight ships. The money required is quite a lot, namely 59,000. It contains 2 Vipers, 2 Mk8 Triads, and 4 grams 2 Godzilla. The composition of this ship is a strengthening of the composition of the previous ship, which was only 6 ships. But we sell Cobras and we replace them with Mk8 Triads and we add 3 Godzilla pieces. This way you can destroy more enemy capital ships. Usually for once for a station defense mission there are 3 to 5 enemy capital ships. By having a lot of gunboats, you don't have to go back and forth to base to reload ammunition. So here's my summary. If there are other formations and compositions that are better, please give suggestions. And I will gladly accept. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
Secured. Going down. Now we have some fun. Yes. Damn it. Whoa. What an explosion. Come and get me, asshole. That is no longer a threat. Almost. Got him.
is depleted.
What an explosion!
Block is depleted.
Yeah! Boom! Fighter in pieces! Fighter out of action! I got hit! Get back here! Turrets eliminated!
Block is depleted.
Fighter destroyed! I'm hit! He's falling apart! Whoa! What an explosion!
Block is depleted.
Damn it! I'm detecting a next wave of enemies on radar. Yes! We've got company. More enemies incoming.